Hey Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to Excel Powerhouse, where we empower your spreadsheets one formula at a time. Today, I'm sharing a simple but powerful hack with the rank function. Did you know you can rank your students' scores in just seconds? Stick around to find out how. Imagine you've got a list of student names and their scores in percentages. You need to rank them from top to bottom manually. No way. Instead, let Excel do the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive in. Here, I've got a list of students in column B, their scores in column C. What we're going to do is use the rank function to assign each student their position in the class based on their score. Here's the magic formula. Type this in the cell next to your first score, say D3. C3 is the score you want to rank, and $C$3, $C$20 is the range of all scores in the list. Those dollar signs make the range absolute, so it doesn't change as you copy the formula down. Now, here's the fun part. Let's sort the list. Highlight your table, including the names, scores, and ranks. Go to the Data tab and click on Sort. Choose the column for percentages and sort it from largest to smallest. Ta-da! Your list is sorted by scores, and the ranks in column D automatically adjust to reflect the new order. No extra work needed. Want to add more functionality? You can customize the rank formula for ascending order or even work with ties in the ranks. Let me know if you want a deep dive on that in the comments. If this hack made your Excel life easier, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, Excel Powerhouse is your go-to place for mastering Excel. Until next time, keep ranking, sorting, and staying powerful.